adapt. Things that he himself has not done, but he wants Mahiri to do. I want to tell these guys, if you are too eager to go home, give us a pay bill. We will contribute for all of you, na muende. DG Mahiri must remain in government because they came as a pair. If they must leave, they will live together. Because they are leaving eventually in 2027. The effect of telling us you want to send Mahiri home, who will you leave in that office now? Who will even think of presenting our issues? Now that, even as of today, we have been forgotten. Yet we have a representative. When you send him home, yet he was on the ballot, he was elected, and you appoint someone who people don't even approve because they have not elected him or her. What message are you telling us? Bwana Governor, hii sakata tunajua vizuri sana, sisi pia ni wanasiasa. We know who wants to send Mahiri home. And if Mahiri must go home, he will go the way he came.
Na mtazamaji, utaniruhusu nikomee hapo kwa sasa kwenye taarifa za Mpasho saa 7, lakini tuna mengi ambayo tunaendelea kuandalia ifikapo saa 1 na saa 3 jioni. Tunakushukuru wewe kwa kujiunga nasi wakati wote. Langu jina Jacinta Nyabeta na mwelekezi kwa lugha ya ishara amekuwa ni Lydia Mose, na kutakia mchana mwema. Kwaheri.
Unatazama Ndizi TV. Africa.
Being healthy is a strive everybody longs for. Human beings will spend their time online searching remedies for conditions challenging them. Some will go to medical facilities seeking medical help, while others will use herbal means to keep their health hazards. I am Chemutai Kirui, and every week on Afya Yetu, we open the doors for life-changing conversations